Well, guys, I'm out here on the property. Been working the last couple of days, and I don't know if you can see all the way back to the road where I trenched yesterday, all through here with a trencher, all the way around to the back where my building is going to be. And over there you see a water faucet sticking out. So I have water. And then these guys brought me some rock. And some sand. And I got that. And then I got temporary power. So now, on my property, I got power and I got water. This is a Saturday. On Monday, they're supposed to, I gotta come meet them out here. Monday, they're gonna drop the materials. I gotta meet them, pay them for that. And next week, they're going to start the build. So we're excited. We can't wait. And it's hard. It's been a lot of hard work so far, but and it's going to be a lot more hard work. But in the end, it's going to be worth it. So hey, stick with me through the adventure. I appreciate it. Okay, now we got materials. There's the guys dropping it off. So should be started in 1 or 2 days with the building. We are ready. Alright guys, just a little update. Remember the last time I think we was at the power pole and we were looking at materials that they had put out here. So it's kind of amazing what happens in a couple of days. So they're supposed to finish up everything on this thing on Monday. Today is Saturday. They did this Thursday and Friday. So give you a little quick view of the shop. Two garage doors here, and the shop. And the shop will go about to where that first big board laying down is over there. And then, so the other side of that will be the living area, and then I'll have the shop. So we can't wait. Things are rocking right along, and I'll keep going with the updates. I'll let you know something next week. Stick with me. Well, hey everybody, it's another day. Just to give you a final update and what's happened. I apologize for not having a video last week. This video, instead of coming out on Thursday this week, should come out on Friday, which would be tomorrow. What you got to look at is the update on our place. And they poured concrete, that concrete you saw in the pictures in the concrete truck. That happened yesterday. My plan was to get some work done on the roof and get a few videos ahead so that I could not miss a week. Well, we had some issues. My father-in-law fell, hit his head, was in ICU for 14 days. So we were in ICU with him for 14 days, and unfortunately he passed away. So we were tied up with that for about 3 weeks. So all the videos that I had built up ahead of time, they played out while we were with him in the hospital. So that's why there's a gap. This video gets to go out this week, and I'm gonna try and have the next 2 videos on the Riviera, trying to get the actual rear floorboards under the rear seats. I got to do those patches. Once I get those 2 done, I'll pretty much be done with the major part of the metal work. It's a couple of itty bitty places I got to go back and touch up. Won't take very much time. When I get the body off, I want to get under it and double check everything underneath it. There's one support I welded in on the front that I needed to finish welding underneath. And if you welded, the worst thing in the world is welding underneath something. So I put that off as long as I could go, and I wanted to put it off until at least I could stand up underneath the car and do the weld instead of laying on the floor. So that's where I'm at with that. So hopefully I'll have the next 2 or 3 videos on the Riviera. We're trying to get some stuff done to it, and make some progress with it, because I need to get this thing, my part of it, done anyway, so I can get it back to the gentleman that owns it. So that's where I stand with what's been going on. I appreciate everybody that's come back and watched. Please, if you like my videos, I know it might not be very fun watching us build this new place, but I'm going to keep you updated as it goes along. Next up with that build, with the building, is getting the interior stuff roughed in for the living area, and then I'll be working on it hot and heavy on myself, because I got to do electrical, finished plumbing. My buddy's going to come back and help me with the finished plumbing, do all the finished work on the inside, cabinets, walls, lights, you name it. I got to finish it up. So hopefully you'll be there with me along the way. We're very excited about it. But like I said, if you like my stuff, if you enjoy watching it, please hit that like and subscribe button. I'd appreciate it very much. I got to looking, I didn't realize that I was up to almost 890. So I'm just over 100 short of my goal of 1,000. So from there, I don't know where it goes, and my personal goal was just 1,000. So I appreciate everybody. Thanks everybody that's got me as far as I've gotten, and I'm still humbled by the number that I have. So until the next video, and like I said, hopefully we'll be back on the Riviera. So until then, thank you guys again, and I'll see you the next go round. Take care.